I'm bringing sexy back today. This 1967 Chevelle Super Sport is frame off restored. It is just slick, shiny. It just presents itself so well. It's got automatic, it's got the big block, it's got air, it's got four-wheel disc brakes, upgraded suspension, custom gauges, tilt wheel. I'll tell you all about it. Go to volocars.com. You'll see 200 classic cars all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. Or if you scan the QR code that's on the screen, it'll bring you directly to this car. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, real SS, super sexy. This thing is slick. It's a bright rally red. It's a piece of red glass on wheels. It has the metal cowl hood. All fits beautifully, all straight, all square. No waves, no damage. Laser straight all the way down front to back. I don't see a ripple. All this is clean down to the very bottom. The gaps are spot on. This is slick. And again, this is a bright red. Door opens easily. The jambs are slick as the outside. Shuts nice and solid. No vinyl top. No issues coming down here. This is all nice, clean, absolutely straight, even behind the tires. All this clean, no dents, no issues that I'm seeing. All of this looks beautiful. All clean, shiny, straight. All straight and clean. Look at this. Look at my hand, the reflection. It's a mirror. Even underneath is not even dirty. Look at that. Clean. All nice, straight, shiny, smooth. The jambs slick as can be. Again, no vinyl roof, no issues coming down the quarter panel, no waves. So the body is excellent on this car. And again, a bright red, polished, super shiny, glossy. The windshield has been replaced. The rest of the glass is all tinted. There's pictures with the windows up on our website. The stainless moldings were replaced. Up front here, the bumper and the grille, all that looks fresh. You can see it has LED, nice bright headlights. Boy, and what a difference that makes from the old headlights. The big cross flag emblems that I love. All the trim, the rockers, the little bow tie mirrors, they even painted red in the little bow tie there. Nice little detail. The rubber seals replaced. All shiny trim, shiny door handles. The window felts and the weather strips were replaced. Has the rear mounted antenna. Now the wheels, they're new wheels. They're Boyd Coddington 18-inch chrome wheels. They're wrapped in BFGoodrich tires. Sits nice and proud. Super Sport is sparkling. And then all the trim back here and bumper and all that's looking really good as well. There is a third brake light behind the tinted window. You'll see that when it lights up. So there you have it. Good looking, sexy car. Let's open it up and continue the tour. All right, let's see what we got in the trunk. Oh boy, it opens up nice. All painted slick red, just tidy everywhere. The jam is nice, the weather strips replaced. Inside is really clean metal with a very neatly applied spatter finish. It has this nice custom cut carpet with the insulation underneath. That helps the keep it dry underneath. It doesn't get that condensation rust. And just a few brochures for some of the components that are in the car. Now subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon. You'll be notified as the new videos are posted. Again, those jambs are slick, really slick. Weather strips replaced. It does have reproduction door panels, armrests, the handles. Now that stainless steel thing here, this is actually a cup holder. That's nice to have. So we got custom gauges. They light up red. Oh, probably have to have the key on because they lit up red when I pulled in here. Bear with me. There you go. Doesn't that look sharp? The dash pad, the vents, all of that is new. Has a retro stereo with an auxiliary port. This is new heater controls. and that's lit up with LED lights. There's also LED lights for the interior. Kick panels are nice. It has some really nice carpet. Lloyd's embroidered thick plush floor mats. Center console's real nice. Has a working clock. It has seat belts. I can tell you the seats are all rebuilt. They're recushioned, nice and firm, reupholstered with no wrinkles. Seat backs are real nice. Same thing back here, LED light at the back of the console. You got the nice carpet and mats, all reupholstered, new side panels. Then in back, we've got 6x9 speakers. Then the headliner got a couple wrinkles in it, but it looks like it's fresh. LED light, matching visors, new mirror. On a chrome tilt column, we've got a nice actual wood rimmed steering wheel. Also has the knee knocker tachometer over here. It's kind of a vintage thing, but you have the modern tachometer in the dash. And then under the carpet, what you don't see, it's all lined with sound deadener. And there's a complete new wiring system in the car with the modern push-in fuses. So nice, comfortable, tidy interior. So this is a 396 motor, runs real strong. Durashine, I think they call that. That's a highly polished intake. It might even be chrome plated, it's so shiny. And then there's an Edelbrock carburetor with electric choke, and a fuel pressure gauge, HEI ignition. The wires are run neatly, nice valve covers, some nice coated headers, red spark plug wires. The firewall has been smoothed out. All this is clean because the hoses run behind the fenders. Yeah, we got a fuel regulator down there, premium fuel lines and fittings. Nice aluminum radiator, dual electric fans, aluminum water pump. So she should run nice and cool for you. Here's an overflow bottle. It's got power steering with the remote reservoir. Polished master cylinder and chrome power brake booster. Wiper motor looks new. And you see everything is painted nice bright rally red. Michael's going to take you for a ride and show you how nice it drives.
Sharp Chevelle, and what a nice sound in 396. This is a car I was poking around and I was like, wow, they really made all the upgrades that somebody would want. Really cool. The upgraded dash is looking great. All those gauges are so easy to read. Extremely easy power steering here. I'm talking legitimate one finger. Some of the easiest power steering that I've experienced, but seats are feeling good with fresh cushion. Let's see what she's got. Sweat, we're doing 60 miles an hour just like that. Didn't think twice, didn't miss a beat. Nice, solid performer, more than adequate power. Then we got the air conditioning on too. I mean, this is really nice quality ride. The lucky new owner will be very happy with their decision. Goes down the road nice and straight, even when my foot's on the brake. I mean, you can't go wrong. You don't take my word for it, come out and take it for a test drive. If you need to fly in, we're only about an hour outside of O'Hare International Airport in Chicago. And check out all the details at volocars.com.
So it was body off frame restored. Underneath looks very clean and fresh. Suspension, steering all rebuilt, and it has some nice upgrades. It has a UMI big fat sway bar and gas shocks in front. In back it has the UMI 4-link system, all red, all tubular, has a sway bar, gas shocks. Wheelwood brakes with red calipers and drilled and slotted discs at all 4 wheels, has a working e-brake system. Great sounding 3-inch exhaust with Flowmaster mufflers going all the way to the back. The fuel system was replaced. Looking up at the motor, it's nice and clean, has a high torque starter. Turbo 400 automatic transmission, has a thinned aluminum pan on the bottom of it. The drive shaft is rebuilt, painted red. Goes back to its 12-bolt posi, has 308 gears in it, so those are some nice cruising gears. The floors and the frame, all that's nice, clean, metal, smooth, prepped, painted. So looking good underneath. This is a beautiful turnkey car. It's got the air, it's got the things that you want, it's going to turn heads. I would be surprised if this car sticks around at all. So if you like what you see, I'm telling you, it's better than most, far better than most. I'm out there looking at these cars, and you may think they all look that equally on the internet and in pictures and at auctions. Well, I can assure you they don't look that nice in person typically. This one does. Go to volocars.com. Salesman can help answer your questions, including how to get your Chevelle genuine Super Sport delivered home. If you need financing, insurance, they can help with that too. Thanks for watching.